Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to completely uninstall Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office from your Windows computer, including apps like Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen. Now click on Settings. If you don't see it, simply type Settings in the search bar and open it from there. Once you're in Settings, go to the left side and click on Apps. At the top of the Apps page, click on Installed Apps. Now you'll see a list of all the programs installed on your computer. You can scroll down until you find Microsoft 365, or you can type Microsoft 365 in the search bar to find it faster. Once you find Microsoft 365, go to the right side and click on the three dots next to it. Now click Uninstall. You'll need to confirm the action, so click Uninstall again. Windows will now begin removing Microsoft 365 from your computer. A user account control or Windows security prompt may appear. Click Yes to continue. You will now see a message saying, Ready to uninstall. Click Uninstall, and Windows will begin removing Microsoft 365 and Office from your computer. After a few minutes, you should see a message saying Office was successfully removed from your computer. It's not required immediately, but it is recommended to restart your computer to complete the process. After restarting, apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook should no longer appear on your system. And that's it.